what we did is we purchased this 10-pack of sanding sticks. It has the different levels of grit. I'm going to clean this up using my polishing kit. Take notice of these fine scratches that are in there on the side and on the top. Some different ones here to get into the nooks and crannies. Make sure we have a good fit. As you can see already, it's starting to leave these little grooves. Those have to be buffed down one thing at a time. So you move from 800 into the higher grit as you progress. All right, I'm just gonna grind on this for that polished look. Now, it's not a high gloss polish. It looks roughed up. So this is 1800. That's how you get all the way up higher level grits, 7000, to get those fine lines out and to have it look nice. You can see I barely even rubbing on that, and by moving it up, it's starting to look better. All right, so let's get to work and see what we can make out of this buckle in no time at all. It's 3600 here. Look at that. It's already starting to get shined. Now, I haven't spent a whole lot of time on it, and you can already see that it's starting to appear in better condition than where I found it. Now, there's still these lines, these grids, because I haven't really put any muscle into this. I'm just showing you on this video how this is done. I'm gonna work through this one step at a time. So I've been using this 3600 here, and you can already see that it's making these finer scratches go away. I did that for about another minute or two, and you can see how things are coming along. Let's keep on grinding away. This is a 3600. Might drop down a little bit more because I can start to see some of these are deeper than what met the eye, and I want to get those out. So that's basically the process. Just keep repeating over and over again and through the different grit levels until these come out. I dropped down to a 2400, and I wanted to show you that some of those finer nicks and dings are starting to come out. Okay. Now this 2400 might not be low enough still, so I'm gonna keep grinding away at it and see what we can do. This whole process, if I'm not making a video, takes about 10-15 minutes to do that buckle. All right, so after you've got it shined up, we're going to do the polishing cloth. So you polish it up, get it on there good. That. And then what you want to do is get these cotton balls for your drill. Polish that stuff on there real nice. You might need to repeat this process a few different times. So you'll polish it off that. See that black film that's on there? So take a cloth and use your thumb to get that residue. Okay. Depending on how fine of a gloss you want, you'll repeat the process. You can even use this 12,000 to get even closer down. It's gonna take a lot longer, but that's how you repeat this process over and over again. So there you have it. Get in there, those little crooks around, try and get as close as you can to all the spots that are in there. And if the logo gets discolored, you can always get like a toothbrush end and soap it down, and then repeat the process of the cotton oil. Polish that up a little bit, really press it into it. Keep repeating all these steps. You just keep repeating over and over again until you get what you want. There you go. Hope that helps. Keep trying for it. Here is the end result that I'm going to have for today, because I don't want to do it again, and I think it looks amazing from what it started as. So you can see there. And then I also use these little microfiber cloths because these will pick up dirt that other polishing cloths won't. Okay, there you have it. That's the end result. So yeah, there are some fine lines in there, but guess what? You can't see those at all unless I'm showing you under harsh macro lighting. But now it looks like it can be worn as new. It cleaned up much better than I could have imagined, and everything's fine.